And let's talk for a second about what directories should be where. First of all, when you create your workspace, when you create the workspace that you're working in, your repository should be cloned into a directory called workspace. Down here, it's called workspace. Up here, it shows the name of your directory. They're the same directory. It's confusing, but it is the same directory. Prog 272 Calvert up here is workspace down here in your bash shell. You can check out its exact location by typing pwd. It shows that this is home Ubuntu workspace. This is where your repository is located, right? So if we show the directory here, we can see that here's the folders that we have been creating. You probably don't have a scripts directory, but I do. If you come up here and choose Show Home and Favorites, you suddenly start seeing your home directory. Okay? So when we type pwd, you can see your home directory is Home Ubuntu. And up here, you're seeing Home Ubuntu. See, here's your workspace directory, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the home directory. To do that, you can just type cd and plus enter, and now you're in the home directory. From here, I'm going to make a directory called git. I'm going to cd into the git directory, and then I'm going to type git clone and clone GS objects. Okay? So that is the command to clone JS objects right here. And when you're done, if you type LL, you can see JS objects in your Git directory. So if you went into JS objects, you could then type pwd and see that you're in home Ubuntu Git JS objects. Over here, you can see that the Git directory was created, and here's JS objects. If you cd into utilities and then set up Linux box, you can then see the Ubuntu setup script, and you could run it and run B, the basic setup, and it goes by very quick. It doesn't take long to do it. But when you're done, you can type X, and then if you typed source.bashrc, then suddenly certain things will start working. Like you can type JO and get to the JS objects directory. Now, from here, if you want, you can always type CD, go back to the home, and go back in here to get to your workspace directory, and now you're back in workspace. And as you can see, this has nothing to do with JS object. Git directory and JS objects are here. The workspace directory is down here. You don't have to be looking at the show home and favorites. You can just look at this one. And then you can still do a clear and type JO and get over to JS objects. If you want, one trick you can do is to go back to the directory you were in previously, cd minus, and it takes you back to your workspace. And then inside the workspace, you can do things like go to JavaScript objects directory, and in here I put the little things we did in class, so I can do the done and show you the node done in class and the results. And up here you can actually see that file. Okay, that was all I wanted to show you today. Thank you.